Amazfit Zenbuds TWS Earbuds with 12-hour battery life, auto sleep detection launched on Indiegogo. Amazfit Zenbuds Truly Wireless, TWS, earbuds by Xiaomi have been launched for the global market. The TWS earbuds were first unveiled back in January at CES 2020 event and are currently listed on crowdfunding site Indiegogo. Although the website is selling limited units of Amazfit Zenbuds, it notes that the mass production of the earbuds has already begun. Xiaomi via Indiegogo set a funding goal of $20,000, roughly 14 rupees and 97 paise lakhs, and has far exceeded that, sitting at over $293,500, roughly 2.19 crore, at the time of writing. It plans to ship the earbuds from September onwards. The new Amazfit Zenbuds are positioned to be smart sleep earbuds that offer soothing sounds and an auto-off functionality. Amazfit Zenbuds price, availability. Amazfit Zenbuds TWS earbuds listed on Indiegogo carry a price tag at $149, roughly 11,100 rupees. The website, however, is offering them for an introductory price of $69, roughly 5,200 rupees, for limited units. They are available in white color. As mentioned, the Amazfit Zenbuds TWS earbuds were first unveiled at this year's CES event along with Amazfit Bips and the Amazfit Direct smartwatch models. Amazfit Zenbuds specifications. The Amazfit Zenbuds are designed to help users fall asleep, the natural way. They feature silicone ear tips that are touted to fit snugly in the ear and stay in place all night. The company claims that the TWS earbuds are designed to help users relax after a busy day. They offer a battery life of 12 hours on a single charge. The charging case is said to provide another 56 hours of playtime. The Amazfit Zenbuds come with auto sleep detection that will automatically pause music once they detect the user has fallen asleep. Users can also set a timer or enjoy non-stop music playback, depending upon the battery life. The TWS earbuds can also monitor heart rate, sleeping patterns and sleeping positions. They also feature an ear alarm. Other features include Bluetooth V5.0, gyroscope sensor, incoming calling notifications. The earbuds are compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Lastly, the Amazfit Zenbuds weigh 1.78 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.